Hi, this little video is an overview of the EPM Strategy Executive Summary Dashboard. This is just a sample, and it's a relatively simple sample of the data that we can get from project information. The percent complete percentage is relatively self-explanatory. The number of milestones box right here shows me that there's 6 milestones in this schedule and only 1 are complete. In the bottom left-hand corner, I've got duration performance. Baseline is in green, so it was baseline for 74 days. The current duration as per the schedule is 87 days, with 25 days having been completed and remaining duration of 61. The 61.6, 25.4 added give us that 87. Jumping over here to cost status, we can see very similar information. All graphs almost look the same, but this is based on cost and not time or duration. And we can see that in the schedule status we saw that we were late, and here we can see we're actually over budget by $29,000 already on this project schedule 8. After looking at the cost status there, we can see the cost data in the phase cost data tab, and this is for all the projects right now, and it's by phase by month or summary by month. Then we have a graphical illustration of the same information. We also then have the issues and risks tab. So this is showing for all the projects right now, all of the different issues or risks. And so we can eyeball here and see that schedule number 10 or schedule 10 has the most number of issues, which correspond to right here, this list right here. And the last tab is the project cost based on the biggest fish. So the point of this one is to have something visual and easy to understand, and when you hover over it, in this case, it's the largest fish is the one that's costing us the most. So in this case, it's the yellow one. If you think maybe the green one is just slightly less in cost. This has not been an exhaustive overview of everything that we can do in this showcase or everything that this particular showcase has. This is just meant to give you a taste for executives, upper management, or even the occasional project manager to get a view of where their project is compared to other projects, or even if you select number of projects, then you can get the whole portfolio. So this is highly editable, and stay tuned for some of our other showcases. Thank you.